Hello. Thanks so much for coming. Funny, I had a perfectly lovely blank disk. By the way, when there is a warning at the bottom of the screen, it says certain empty disk into drive 8, warning all data on the disk will be destroyed during tests. Yes, some of the tests will destroy the data. Some of them will not. Anyway, this. Oh, yes, I'm working in the dark here. I'm going to try this knowing that it's probably not going to pass. Aha. No. No. Okay. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Turn the machine off. Pull out the diagnostic cartridge. Turn on the 64. Change. Ooh. Change the background color. Screen color. Change the cursor color. And send the command to the drive, and of course it does not come up and do anything. Now, this is, of course, a disk that I would not expect it to find anything because there is no directory. None at all, because it's a brand new blank disk. But here I'm putting in a Commodore 1541 test demo disk, and I get a similar result. So I am going to try, because this works sometimes. And yes, it is best if you do it with a disk that is either blank or that has a little sticker across the write protect. Anyway, this shouldn't do anything bad. It should just make the head bang, and maybe things will come back to life. And maybe they won't. So I wrote a little program yesterday. I think I'm going to do something like it, but not as elaborate. Maybe I should have saved the other one. This is a quick and dirty way. Oops. Don't need that there. Two. Wait, do that. Gotta hit return on the line. So this will do what the program did I did yesterday, except it's not going to keep count, but it's going to keep doing it. And we'll see if this little torture session helps the disk drive to wake up. Because, of course, these things have been sitting untouched for 15 years, 20 years, I don't know. But it does not seem that this is getting any closer to working. So the first thing I would do, if I was going to do something about that right now, because the torture isn't doing anything, would be, by the way, I'm going to just reseat the disk. Reseat the disk and see if that makes any difference. Or as we used to say in the old days, tickle it. And it is making no difference at all. So the first thing I would do, if I was going to explore this at this moment, would be to try and clean the head. Anyway, so as you can see, we are getting nowhere in a hurry. So I can turn the 64 off and just see if there is anything that this cartridge might do. Did I flip the switch accidentally? I'm putting usually. There we go. Let's see. Head exercise. Let's try that. I'm pressing the F1 key. Maybe I'll press the F2 key. Maybe I'll press the F3. Maybe it's time for F4. And F6. Oh, that's an interesting little squeal. Anyway, that is not seeming to be doing much. I'll try a directory. It won't work, of course. Ooh, we could try the speed check. I don't know if that's going to happen. Oh. Error. Error. I wonder. Oh my. I mean, there's all kinds of things we can try here. They're not going to do anything. Because I don't think it can read anything. Oh well. So I think maybe this is a time to listen to the head and say, well, this is not going to do anything worthwhile. F1 to exit, and away it goes. We'll try a directory. It won't read it. It's just flashing. It is, I suppose, I could try to take the cartridge out and say 10, open, oh dear, we've got bad colors here, 15, 8, and I could, 5, 3, 2, 8, 0, 0, 5, 2, 2, 8, 1, 0. There's our little program. All right, I suppose what I could do, and what I might do, is leave this sitting here to be tortured. Because right now, downstairs, I have an 8032 to examine, and hopefully there's hope for it. Hopefully there's no horrible chewing been done on it. Yeah, I don't think this is going to make any difference. I think it's head cleaning time, which actually, it's a funny thing. Somewhere around here, as I was looking through things, I did find one of those head cleaning discs. But I think you're supposed to put some kind of fluid on it. I think. And of course, some people say, never use them. They're basically a fabric disc that goes round and round. Maybe I'll have a look. Maybe I'll be brave. But for the moment, I will carry on. Maybe I will go downstairs and try and look at this pet. Thanks so much for coming. Bye for now.